Alrighty folks, this is a test of the CNC foam wire cutter. We have already made one cutout just using styrofoam here. Clearly the thickness is not important, but trying for the outline. Basically I'm going to be doing the same cutout but much smaller. I'm trying to verify that the sizing is accurate. And also I don't have much styrofoam here to test. So, we're going to be cutting this right out of the bottom of this area, in theory. Going to move it up here, trying to square to the wire. And over here, I've got my power source, which is simply a battery charger. And I have yet to see the wire turn red or anything. So I'm assuming with the length of my lead wires, it's just a lot of resistance. But it still seems to be getting plenty hot enough to cut these. Let me connect to the CNC. So she's connected. Alright, G92. Alrighty, so now I should just be able to send the number 7 text file. This is not the greatest system. I'm hoping to get a better one, but for now this is what I have. Let's see if she works. Focus, focus, focus. I don't think I had it close enough to the wire. Come on. Sorry, tripod problems. But, okay, I definitely did not have it close enough to the wire, so we'll only get the grip. You have to expect these issues. It definitely seems to cut through it like it's not there. Bang bang. Overall, not too bad.